To the replica set. And what is the use of replica set? So replica set always ensures that a desired number of pods are always run in the container, so in the system, so that the fault tolerance it will not be allowed even if the pod is failure. So this replica set automatically deploys a pod for use. So this is the use case here. So we'll see some of the questions on this. So what is RS replica set? So replica set, it ensures that the desired number of pods are always run in the cluster, so that the fault tolerance will not be applicable on this. So how does replica set ensure fault tolerance? This is how. So even if the pods were deleted, how does the replica set ensure fault tolerance? So even if the pod is deleted, the replica set automatically deploys one more pod if there are any failures in the pod. So it will not be allowing the fault tolerance. So what are the main fields? What are the main fields in RS? So in RS there are two main fields. One is the metadata section will move to the spec section of the pod definition replica set file. So and other one is the replicas and selector field. These are the main three fields. One is the apps v1, that is the API version apps v1. The second one is the template section, third one is replicas, and fourth one is selector label. So let's see one example on this. Vi rs my rs.yml file. So API version. So here earlier we have seen only v1, now we can see apps v1 because this is the replica set, and we can say replica set S capital and R capital. Metadata so metadata section, we know that we can name all this my app, my rs, and labels we can specify labels app, my rs app, type. So here in the type section you can specify either based on the service type you can specify. I can say it is front end and spec. So here we can have a separate field called template for the replication controller also same. Here we can use metadata. The complete metadata will move under the spec template section. So metadata name, my rs app name, my rs app, labels app, my rs app. So here we must spell that my rs. Okay, my rs app, and type as a front end. Not this. So this name and this name should match here because the metadata section was moved to template section, and we can specify the containers. I'm a bit fast, you can tell me so that I can move a bit slow. and hyphen name it as ngnx. Image was ngnx. You can use ngnx container, you can say, and specify the replicas was 2, and selector label selector match labels here, L capital and type as front end. So you can verify this syntax if need it, and I'm not going to do that. So here you can see this API version is the difference. Earlier we can see only v1 API version, and here the kind is ReplicaSet. Here and previously we have seen that replication controller, the type of object we are going to create, and other sections are remaining same, and replicas also same in the replication controller, and only the selector label here the difference is selector, API version, and kind. So we'll try to run this one. Escape colon verify. So now clear this kubectl create -f my rs.yaml. So the replica set was created. Now you can try to see get pods. So my rs, this is the prefix of replica set we have given in the replicas was 2, so it was created 2 replicas. Okay, so how many ways to create? There are 2 ways to create the replica set, with the help of YAML file and with the help of kubectl run command, so create command. So here we have seen that YAML file, and we will try to create one more replica set with the help of create kubectl create rs my rs1, name of the replica set hyphen image equal to nginx. Okay, if you want to specify the replicas, you can use hyphen replicas is equal to 1. What is this? Create rs my rs1 hyphen image equal to, okay, array image flag. Okay, kubectl create hyphen helper is okay. Let's wait for a second. This is a replica kubectl run rs my rs1. Okay, that we need to specify the selector label, right? Instead of going with, so here we are not specifying any selector label. Hyphen image equal to nginx hyphen clecto selector equal to match labels equal to. So we can create it. Let's see this somehow. I don't remember that command. So there are 2 kubectl get rs. So there are 2 replica sets, 2 desired and 2 current, and we can see pods, kubectl get pods, and 2 pods are created with the prefix name as replica set. This is how you can create with the help of YAML file. So main fields we discussed how many ways to create the fields, and we can see how to scale up and scale down. Kubectl scale rs my scale rs my rs my rs hyphen replicas equal to 2, right? We can increase it to 3. This replica spell mistake. So we have increased it to 3. Now we can try to get the replicas capital RS. So 3 are desired. Now we will check the pods as well. So 3 pods are available. If you try to delete one pod, you got to delete pod with the help of pod name. Let's see if it is deleted or not. What is the command? So it was deleted. So the clearly got the message it was deleted. Now we will try to get that get pods. See how many pods are exist with the prefix name or replica set. 3 pods are exist. Even if you try to delete that, by default replica set will automatically replace the pod. That is how the fault tolerance will not be allowed in the cluster with the help of replica set. So we have scaled up to 3. Now we can try to scale down to 2. Scale rs my rs hyphen replicas equal to 1. Scale. Now you can try to get the replicas. So it was 1. So we have scaled down to the 1. So this is how you can try to scale up and scale down with the help of scale command. So even if we delete the pod, that will not be deleted, and by default it will be replaced even if you try to delete. Okay, now you can completely delete the rs my rs. Let's see if the pods are deleted or not. So my rs was deleted. Clearly you got the message replica set my rs was deleted. And now you can try to get this replica set. So no resources, that means replica set was deleted. Now try to get the pods. So once the replica set was deleted, then pods automatically deleted from the cluster, whichever the node is placed on, and only the remaining will show. This is how you can work with the replica set.